Imagine waking up every day, working hard, but still feeling broke. Money comes in and disappears. This phrase describes the feeling many people have when they see their income quickly used up by daily expenses, bills, or unexpected costs, leaving little or nothing left at the end of each month. There are only two paths in life: spend everything or make your money work for you. Investing is when your money starts working, even when you're sleeping. Think of investing like planting a seed. When you plant a seed, it starts off small. With time and care, it grows into something much bigger and stronger than it was in the beginning. The earlier you start, the bigger your tree grows. Starting early gives your investment time to grow and develop. Much like a seed that's been planted in the ground has more time to become a tall, sturdy tree. This is called compound growth. Your money makes money, and that money makes even more money. There are many ways to invest: stocks, mutual funds, or even starting your own business. But remember, investing is not gambling. Smart investors think long-term. They stay patient and avoid emotional decisions. You don't need a lot of money to start. Even small amounts, invested regularly, can change your future. The goal is simple: financial freedom. Start early. The sooner you begin, the more opportunities you have to let your investments grow over time through the power of compounding. Early action gives you a crucial advantage in achieving financial goals. Stay consistent. Regularly investing, even small amounts, is key to steadily building wealth. Consistency in your financial habits ensures you continue making progress, no matter how big or small your contributions may be. And let your money grow. Over time, disciplined investing allows your money to compound and accumulate more wealth. Patience and allowing your investments time to mature are essential for long-term financial success.